Stop. Before you press skip, answer me one question.
When someone asks, "How was your day?" do you freeze? Do you only say, "Good," and stop?
Or maybe you talk for 30 seconds and the other person looks confused?
If that sounds familiar, this episode is made for you.
Today, you will learn to talk about your daily routine in a way people love to listen to.
Hello, everyone. I am Jessica. Welcome back to English Trending Podcast.
And I am Chris. So happy you are here with us today.
This podcast is for you if you want to speak English more naturally
More confidently,
and more fluently.
today is Conversation Day, and our topic is your daily routine.
We will show you how to talk about your routine in a real conversation.
Not just sentences, real questions, real answers, real reactions.
So, let's begin. Imagine we are two friends meeting after a long time. Hey, Chris. Oh my goodness. Long time no see. How are you? How is life?
Jessica, it's so good to see you. Life is good, but very busy.
Busy? Tell me, what does your day look like now?
Well, my daily routine is quite packed. I have something to do every hour.
Really? Okay, let's start from the beginning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but honestly,
Honestly, what?
I get up at 7:20.
That's very real. 20 more minutes in bed, right?
Exactly. The alarm says 7, my body says, no thank you.
So after 7:20, what do you do?
Counting steps on fingers, I freshen up, then I have breakfast, and I try to leave by 8:30.
That's a good morning. Do you enjoy your mornings?
Not before coffee.
Fair enough. Coffee first, everything else second. Okay, so what about work? What does a normal workday look like for you?
So I start by checking my emails. That takes maybe 20 minutes.
Okay, good. Then what?
Then I attend a couple of meetings. After that, I focus on my main tasks.
And do you take any breaks?
Yes, I take a short break in the afternoon, maybe 15 minutes, just to relax.
That is so important. Your brain needs rest, too.
Exactly. And then I push through until the end of the day.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5 p.m. And honestly, that is my favorite time of the day.
Because work is over?
Because work is over.
I love that. We all feel that way. So, what happens after work? What do you usually do in the evening?
I go home, and first I just relax for a little while. Do nothing. It feels amazing.
Yes, you deserve that. Then?
Then I spend time with my family. We have dinner together, talk about our day,
Oh, that sounds lovely. Very balanced.
and sometimes I go for a short walk, just to unwind, clear my head.
A walk in the evening? That is so healthy. I love that.
It helps a lot. And then I try to go to bed at 11 p.m.
Try to? What happens?
My phone has other plans.
Oh, we all know that feeling. You pick up your phone and suddenly it's 1 a.m.
Every single night.
The phone controls so many routines these days. Okay, let's stop here for a moment. Did you notice something?
Chris didn't just say, I wake up, I work, I sleep, and stop.
He used small, important words. Listen to these. Key words to sound natural. Usually. I usually wake up at 7. Around. I finish around 5 p.m. After that. After that, I focus on my tasks. Sometimes. Sometimes I go for a walk. Try to. I try to sleep at 11. Honestly. Honestly, I get up at 7:20.
And I didn't give a long speech. Short answers, natural and easy.
That is the secret of real conversation.
Short answers, natural reactions, good follow-up questions.
And a little humor always helps too.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you meet a friend. They ask you these questions.
Try to answer in 3 to 4 sentences. Add small details. Use our key words. 1. What time do you usually wake up, and when do you really get up? 2. What do you do in the morning? Step by step. 3. How does your workday or school day look? 4. What do you usually do in the evening to relax?
Use words like usually, around, after that, sometimes, try to.
And please, don't sound like a robot. Be yourself. Be natural. Speaking English is not about perfect grammar.
It is not about long sentences either.
It is about connection. It is about real conversations.
And every day you practice, you get a little better.
So practice today's questions, speak out loud, make mistakes, speak again.
That is how you grow.
Now, before you go, we have a small challenge for you.
Write your daily routine in the comments. Use our keywords.
Tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you do in the evening?
We read every comment, and we love to see you practice.
If this episode helped you, please share it with one friend learning English.
One share can change someone's English journey.
And if you are new here, subscribe now. New episode every single day.
New conversations, new vocabulary, new confidence every day.
This is English Trending Podcast.
Where you learn,
Grow.
and stay trending. See you tomorrow